Hello friends, welcome to Indrayani English School 6th standard. Today we are going to learn GK Cordova. Students, in our life, we everyone is having some dreams like I want to become doctor, I want to become engineer, I want to become teacher. So many students or many means in our childhood students are having some dreams, so they plan for it and their parents guide them us for that. So today in our GK we are going to learn that only. So it's not easy to become a doctor, but it's not very hard. Okay, so 13 lesson tells us something about it. Careers in medicine and engineering. Medical and engineering are two of the most rewarding career options in India. Both jobs require hard work, dedication, patience, and above all, zeal to excel. Okay. Recognize the medical specialists by the given information. Write their names in the blanks provided. You may use the help box. Students, when you want to become doctor, but there are so many branches for doctor, means you can be psychologist also, you can be dentist also, you can become dietitian also, you can become MD also, you can become dermatologist also. So like this many options are there, so you have to decide if you want to become a doctor, so which specialization you want to do. So here we are going to learn how many branches or how many doctors you can become. Okay, diagnose and treat diseases related to infants and children. It's all about small children. So what we call pediatrician. What we call pediatrician. Second is heart and circulatory system. So we call that doctor cardiologist. Cardiologist. Got it? Third, brain and nervous system. Brain and nervous system. So who becomes specialization in that? Doctor we call neurologist. We called neurologist. Eyes, what we called ophthalmologist. Okay, ophthalmologist. Next, skin problem. If you are having skin diseases or skin problems, you go to which doctor? Dermatologist. Correct, dermatologist. Next, skeletal system. Skeletal system, you go to orthopedic. Orthopedist. Ear, nose and throat, then you go to doctor ENT specialists. ENT specialists. E means ear, N means nose, and T means throat. Mental disorder, then you go to psychologist. Then you go to psychologist. Teeth, you go to dentists. Okay, and diet, you go to dietitians. Correct. Next, recognize the branches of engineering by the given information. Write their names in the blanks provided. You may use the help box. Designing and developing various technologies related to aircraft. So what we call aeronautical. Aeronautical. Next, agriculture department, we call agricultural. Third, Motor vehicles we call automobile. Next, chemicals and related products. To him we call chemical. Next, computer and its software. Then we say it computer. Electrical and electronic devices. Then we say it electrical. Ships and their equipment. Then we call marine. Next, all kinds of machines. Then we say mechanical. All kinds of machines. Then we say mechanical. Next, fibers and fabrics. Fibers and fabrics. Then we say it, which branch it is? Textile. Buildings, roads, canals and dams. And which branch it is we call? Civil. Yes, buildings, roads, canals and dams. It comes in which branch? Civil. Yes. So students, write down this answer in your textbook and read it, all the spellings, learn it and by heart it. So today we are going to learn lesson number 14 also. Amazing animals. Means those animals are really different. Means it all amazing. Some amazing animals are described below. Read about them and write their names in the given blanks. You may use the help box. Means in your textbooks, answers are already given. Only you have to find out the correct one. Okay. So we'll go ahead. See the first one. It is the only female mammal that can temporarily change its sex. It is a cat-like carnivore, a native of Madagascar, Africa. Okay, so what will be the name? C answer, female fossa. Female fossa. Second one, it is the most efficient efficient scavenger. Digestive system can break down even bones and horns. Okay, and what will be the answer? Spotted hyena. Spotted hyena. This mammal has such small piglets that the mother builds a nest to protect them from predators. Okay, and the answer is European wild boar. European wild boar. Next, this mammal does not sleep at all and eats 80 to 90% of its own body weight in food. Oh my God, daily. And the answer is shrew. The answer is shrew. It is shrew. Next, this mammal is famous for its large colonies. One such colony discovered contained around 4 lakh members of this species living together. Oh my God, 4 lakh members. And this is called black-tailed prairie dog. Black-tailed prairie dog. Next, this bird remains in air for most of the time. After leaving the nest, it remains in air for 3 to 10 years. It lands only to breed. And the name is sooty tern. The name is sooty tern. This is a poisonous bird. Its feathers and skin contain a very powerful poison. And the answer is hooded pitohui. Hooded pitohui. Next, this fish has the longest span of survival out of water. When the water dries, it burrows into the ground and forms a moisture saving cocoon around its body to save itself. It breathes with its lungs. And the answer is lungfish. Answer is lungfish. It is the most dangerous insect found in Australia. It stings its prey a number of times, injecting venom. It can kill an adult human within 15 minutes. Oh my god. And the answer will be bulldog ant. The answer will be bulldog ant. Understood? Write down this all names in your textbook and try to pronounce it. Okay? Lesson number 15. Indian music magicians. Indian music is loved all over the world. Some musicians have achieved excellence in playing traditional musical instruments. Write the names of the musicians and their musical instruments in the given blanks. You may use the help box. So first one we can see here Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, and he is playing a santoor. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, and he is playing santoor. Second picture Ram Narayan, and he is playing sarangi. He is playing sarangi. Third is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, and he is playing sarod. He is playing sarod. Fourth is Pandit Ravi Shankar, and he is playing sitar. Pandit Ravi Shankar, sitar. Next is Dorswami V. Iyengar. Dorswami V. Iyengar, and he is playing Southern Veena. He is playing Southern Veena. Next, sixth is N. Rajam. N. Rajam. He is playing violin. He is playing violin. Seven is Ustad Srinivas. Ustad Srinivas, and he is playing mandolin. He is playing mandolin. And next is Ustad Bismillah Khan. Ustad Bismillah Khan. He is famous for playing Shehnai. He is famous for playing Shehnai. And ninth is Ustad Zakir Hussain. He is famous for playing tabla. He is famous for playing tabla. Students, now what is your homework? Write all answers in your textbook and read it 3 times. Why I am saying to read 3 times? Because you should understand the proper pronunciation of these hard words. These words are really difficult to pronounce. So read it again and again and understand the spellings and their pronunciation. Thank you all of you. But before saying thank you, I would like to tell you marks. Students, I did not get time to check your papers. Last week we had test. So within 2 days I will send you your marks in the group. Okay, bye bye and thank you.